let us compare order book in India with the order book in UK. See, in India, the order book looks like this. So this is 13th August expiry, 22,200 put option. On 11th August, it has closed at 172. On the left side, we are able to see top 5 buyers. On the right side, we are able to see top 5 sellers. I say all these orders are all fake orders. These orders are just there to register LTPs, last traded prices. But once the real order from the retail traders comes in, the operator operating that particular strike will be waiting for our orders and will be very much ready to loot our money by taking the price in the opposite direction to our position placed. Now let us look at the order book, how it looks like in UK. So this is the IZ platform. This is how it looks like. I am actually showing you Wall Street Daily. Daily means in UK, in the IG markets, there are daily expiry options also. Like in India, we have weekly expiry options on every Thursday. But here in IG markets, we have daily expiries as well as weekly expiries and monthly expiries as well. Here, this is the daily expiry, that is 12th August, whereas this is weekly expiry on 14th August. In IG markets, every Friday is the expiry, the weekly expiry, and as usual daily expiry will be on the day itself. So here if you are able to see, now it is trading at, the Dow is at 27,740. If you can see, the right side are the puts and the left side are the calls. Here no such order book or top 5 buyers or top 5 sellers. There is no all such drama which is there in India. If you wanted to sell, you can sell if you wanted to sell this 27,720 put, you can sell at this price. If you wanted to buy, you can buy at 134. That's all. There is no order book drama, fake orders, all such things, absolutely no. And likewise, so there are only buy price and sell price given. You can place any quantity. You can place 10 lots, 100 lots, 1000 lots, any number of lots you can place. So this is the order book comparison between India and UK.